Holy crap, I gotta clean up this barn. I got people coming over, my favorite YouTube guys, and I can't believe they're actually gonna, oh, now's not the time to be scaring the stuff out of me, all right, guys? It's good to see you, I'm glad you're here. I've got some high profile YouTube favorites of mine are gonna come and help me work on this. Where they're gonna come, whether we get anything done or not, you know, but hopefully I can get some video of them. You know how those guys are, they're up here. And maybe they'll send me some footage if maybe I'll make a video out of it, is what I'm saying. All right, sit back, enjoy. I hope there's a show. Welcome back, Junks Automotive. I gotta get busy. Derek, the Volkswagen right out back. Go that way. Derek's here. Okay. Hole. We got license plates to fix that. Welcome back, Vice Grip Garage. I'm here in the beautiful state of Indiana. Location, Junks Automotive to be particular. Now, Mike's a good guy. I kind of trust him. Turned me on to this 1971 Volkswagen Beetles. So he says it shouldn't run with any problem. It's complete. I'm going to attempt to drive this back home 18,000 miles to my home in Tennessee. We don't have a lot of time. I've only got one day, so we usually start in the trunk on these rigs so we can kind of get our eyeballs attached to the history and of the rig and what's been going on with it. Like I said, Mike's a good guy. So let's check under the power barn, see what's going on. Wait, is it around here somewhere? Where'd he go? Oh boy, we're in trouble. I hope he has cold snacks. Oh, hey Dan, Danielle. Dan here, Diddy Speed Shop. I'm in Indiana, the land of the free. Man, this thing is mint. Wow. I'm at Junks Automotive, and he wanted me to help him out. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's see what we can do. What a beautiful car. It's mint. It's mint. Mike, what do you... Junk Mike Junk. You got... Look at this. How did... The windows roll up and down? No, not yet. And kitty hair, sand. What are you gonna sand? Just kind of, you know, red. There's red, white. There's white. Well, I drive this all day long, every day. Look. Beautiful car. 1957 Chevrolet. The 4-door to the 2-door conversion. Yeah. Man, what do you want me to do?
Bad Chad's here. Bad Chad's here. Bad Chad's here. And Jolene, Bad Chad's here. Bad Chad's here.
All right, welcome back. I'm Bad Chad. Queen Jolene's on the camera, and we're on air. We're here in Indiana. Indiana. He wants us to help him out with his 57 Chev, and I think he's pretty close. You know, a little bit of kitty hair and some body work. It's done. But I say we cut the roof off using some masking tape, channel the whole body, put a new floor in it, and all we're going to use is this square tubing, this exhaust pipe, and this grinder. Hey, not in my yard, you could tell. This junk box Mike guy at Junk's Automotive, he's really wore me out about helping him out with his 57 Chev. Of course, I got Frankers here. She's messing up her new haircut. Jeez. Don't you have a squirrel to chase, Frankers? Hey, buddy. Buddy, hope you don't like miracles. I think we just whistle up a new one. Yeah. Piece of sheet metal, a body hammer, and an old stump. You got wood around here, I saw. Frankers and I has got to get back to the yard. I'm not comfortable here. I think we can figure something out. Cheers. It's just me. I know. I went through a lot to make that video. But I did it out of love and admiration for those guys. There's other YouTube channels that I really adore. They were just going to be too hard for me to mimic with the allotted amount of time, right? So most of you don't know that my father passed away several years ago on Halloween night. So it was usually pretty sad time for me. Can't enjoy Halloween. That's how it's been. But I thought this year, let's have a little fun. Have a little fun here in the barn shop, in the yard. Have a good time, right? With some of my favorite people that I enjoy watching, just like I know you do. So I'll put their channels down in the description. Go, leave them a comment. Subscribe to them. Tell them you said hey. Tell them I sent you. Let them know I made a video. I know it's silliness, right? We've got to take time out of our hard lives to have a good time. Just have a little fun. Be creative and do something silly. That's what makes us people, right? I sure appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys. Thanks for coming back. Junk's Automotive. Man. I hope this grows back.